My name is Hiroshan Tavasilan. I'm 30 years old and I'm from London. And I currently work as an apprentice software developer at Amazon. I did a degree in English literature and politics. I taught English in Japan and Korea for 6 years. After that, I wanted a bit of a career change, and that led me to the QA Software Development Bootcamp. I've always been interested in tech, but just never pursued it as a career. The reason I chose QA is from the research I did. I had a lot of positive reviews, and I was confident that QA would be able to teach me the skills I needed to start a career in something I didn't have any experience in before. And it seems to have worked out.